This is going to take you over using the pressure law, Gay-Lussac law, to calculate pressure or temperature. So, first thing as ever is to read through the question and write down your shopping list of what you know and what you don't know. The first thing we're told is the pressure initially, so we're going to put P1 is 235 kilonewtons per square meter. That's okay, we don't need to change the units for that because all it means is we'll get our answers in kilonewtons per square meter when we've done the calculation. The other thing we're told is it starts at a temperature T1, which is 20 degrees Celsius. Now that's where we've got to start making some changes to units. We've got to put that into Kelvin temperature, so we've got to add 273, which is 293 Kelvin temperature. You don't need to include that step, I've just put that there to show you what I'm doing. So 293 Kelvin. Afterwards, the new pressure is what we're trying to find, so P2 is a question mark, and the second temperature, T2, is 48 degrees C, but again, we've got to change that to Kelvin. Both temperatures have to be in Kelvin, so 48 plus 273 is what we're going to put in the calculator, and that comes out at 321 Kelvin. Good, we can start to use the formula now because we've got everything that we need. So we've got P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2. That's the equation that you've got, that's the equation we're going to use. And put the numbers in, so we've got 235 over 293 equals P2, which is our unknown, so we just leave that, divided by 321. Now, at this point, you're going to need a bit of your maths from what you do with rearranging equations in maths. We're trying to find the unknown on its own on the top, and then calculate everything else out from there. So the way we do that is either multiplying or dividing either side of the equation to give us that. So what we're going to do to get rid of the 321 is we multiply both sides of the equation times 321 on both sides. So we've got 235 times 321 divided by 293 equals P2 times 321, just change that, times 321 divided by 321. And first thing you notice is those two 321s cancel, which leaves us with just P2 on its own on the top, which is great. What we then need to do is do this calculation there. So I've got 235 times 321 equals, divided by 293 equals, and we'll get an answer of 257.45, but we're just doing three significant figures, so it's 257. Put down your final answer. P2 equals 257 kilonewtons per square meter, and that is your final answer. So whatever the units were for pressure on one side, it's the same thing on the other side.